Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here after a little break and we are here with our daily reviews before the US session. Those who are new to the channel, let me share that I do share twice a day updates so major global markets and commodities, first with the Asia and Europe session, and this is the US session update. Thus subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment, and yes, do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube and support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold followed with silver. Watch. If you look at the hourly charts of gold, you'll find rise, retracement, higher highs, retracement. See, most importantly, what gold has done, see, this was the consolidation zone from where the previous rise was started and where it has seen 2220 level. Since then, it has retraced. And see, after the retracement, what most importantly it has done, it has failed to break below the zone at 2160, 2150, which I had mentioned as the critical resistance zone. Now, taking the support, it is trying to bounce back. See, this was the breakout. But if you look at the hourly charts, you must notice, see, the rule of the candles. See, first of all, the moving averages have started to diverge. This is indeed a bullish sign. Second thing is, look at the candle sizes here. You can see this was increasing, then the bullishness has got diminished. This suggests that the prices are getting a little resistance on the upside, which makes 2200, 2204 as a greater resistance. Indeed, is a greater resistance. Second is, whenever you look forward to this reversal and a breakout, one must notice it has to break the resistance zone here. Now, see, beyond 2204, we have to look forward to 2208, 2210 zone. If and only if gold breaks beyond this zone, you can say now we are looking forward to higher highs, which can in fact take it till towards 2240, 2250 levels. Possibility. If you look at the stochastic, this is back to overbought. The MACD is trading with divergence. It is looking upwards. RSI is again back to overbought levels. Coming to two. If you look at the 2-hour chart, see a breakout candle, and see after the breakout, this candle is just shying away from a stronger momentum which it is shown earlier. It is trying to carry a bit of it, but not willing to continue or sustain with the same force, because see, if it was same force, we should have seen a stronger rise. Now remember, 2200, 2204, and then 2210, 2212 zone. This is the zone where we are focusing on. Any breakout above this certainly be an indication that we are looking forward to higher highs towards 2225, 22, in fact 40 levels. But yes, right now I can definitely sense that this long-term trend line giving it a little resistance. Thus be cautious of 2200, 2204 zone. Stochastic overbought. MACD is again starting to diverge. It is bullish. RSI back to overbought zone. Coming to 3, look at 3-hour charts. After consolidation and the squeeze, this is the breakout. This is the first bullish candle. We have to wait for the next candle. If the next candle also starts to rise, certainly you can say now it is turning bullish and higher highs are seen. Right now, I will not conclude that it is turning bullish as of. If you look at on the downside now, 22 2180, which was the resistance so far, is now become the greatest support. Thus, it is very, very important for gold to now break below 2180 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is rising. Coming to 4-hour chart, likewise on the 4-hour charts, after forming a good base, it is trying to rise. First bullish candle getting resistance here, and yes, where this candle closes and where the second candle starts, that is going to be watched out for. Any closer above 2190 and then the beginning of the next candle about 2190 can take it further highs towards 2204. So that should be the ideal way to trade, but I will be looking forward to this zone to be breached, that is 2210, 2212. Beyond that, more bullish momentum is going to prevail. Stochastic rising, MACD is also crossed over, and see, this is the first bullish candle. I will wait for the second and third bullish candle from here. RSI is rising as well. Coming to the daily. Now see, on the daily charts, one must look at first, and this is the stronger bullish candle after weeks of consolidation. It has erased all the gains with just 2 candles, and since then what we have seen, what we have observed is higher lows. Higher lows and higher highs. This is how gold has been trading. The highs are now far above 2240. If it stretches above 2210, 2212 zone, certainly you can say more bullish momentum is going to prevail. Also, one must that gold is trying to trade and break above this long-term trend line, which is also giving it a slight resistance at around 2200. Next point to notice here is after the rise, see, this is the rise here, then it is just being creating waves and trading in this channel. This is still a sideways bullish channel. Support on the downside is very, very strong towards 2160, 2150 zone. Only and only if gold breaks below this, you can say now it is reverse and we are going to look forward to a sharper. If you look at a stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is in bearish, and see it is traded bearish. Now it is trying to converge a bit. Let's see if it crosses over, and RSI is rising. So considering this, before I give you the trading levels and strategy, see, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 30th mentorship batch starting first week of April. Few seats are still left. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. In this batch, we focus on only two things. One is to help you acquire the skill which can help you identify profitable trades with ease, and second thing is to help you trade profitably. See, the tools, techniques and strategies will help you identify profitable trades with ease, but that is only 50% of the game. The 50% of the game is how to trade profitably, and that's an art, and that is what we are going to teach you in this mentorship session. So do join this. Also, you can be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for details related to the services. Now see, considering this for the day, it is very clear you can buy here at 2000 to 2200, 2204 zone. You can buy here. Be careful at around 2204, 2205 levels, and then 2210, 2212. If these two levels are taken, then you can say now gold is definitely staying. It is not going to come back sooner. Yes, a stronger bullish momentum may be prevail, but at the same time, if it drops below 2190, you can sell there. However, do not treat this as bearish. First, gold has to break below 2180 zone, that is going to remain a greater support, and then 2170 levels. As long as gold stays above 2170, do not treat this as bearish. It can bounce back. However, to get the advantage of the swings and of the little moves for the day, you can sell here at 21. See, 2190 is the only level to sell, but I will say still you have to be careful at around 22, 2180 and 2170 zone. This is going to be the strongest support for the day. Any drop below this is going to be treated for a reversal. And these are markets, anything and everything is possible. Right now it is trading with bullish bias. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at. Now see what gold has done. Can silver repeat this? Only thing is, see what silver has done earlier, retracement, then this breakout. Now see, this is breached the previous support zone. It has come to the lower support levels at 2450, 2440. Remember, many times in my previous update, I have shared one thing, that silver should in any case do not break below 2440, 2450 zone, and that is what it has respected so far beautifully. Now see, what it has done, it has just been trading sideways and failing to stay bullish here. Now it is very important for silver now to stay above 2490 levels. Once it breaks out beyond 2490, you can say we have to just wait for 25 and 2520. If these two levels are taken, just stay bullish in silver. It is going to give you another bullish breakout, just how what gold has done. Stochastic is coming back to overbought levels. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is rising, again bullish case here. Coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour chart, see series of bearish candles, and see the body size is very smaller in size, and look at the reversal candle. But also one must notice on the reversal candles, it is still not breached the highs of this channel. So it is very important for silver now to stay above 2490, $25 levels in order to confirm the rise, confirm the bullishness here. Right now, I will not treat this as bullish. It is just approaching towards the 50 and 100 and getting a stronger resistance there. Stochastic rising, MACD divergent and bullish. RSI is rising here. Coming to 3 hour. If you look at 3 hour charts after series of red candles, reversal sign, first bullish candle, I'll wait for the next candle. If next candle you see trading, silver trading about 2490, you can buy here and expect it to break beyond 25, 2520. Now this is the important zone which it needs to break, and that will confirm the further move, and that is going to be on the buy side. But right now I will not confirm this as bullish as long as it stays below 25, 25, 20. See, moving averages have also crossed over here and are trading bearish. Stochastic rising, MACD has hit a bottom, trying to trade with divergence, trying to rise here. RSI rising, coming to 4 hour. Look at 4 hour charts, moving averages crossing over here. This is a sign of bearishness. Price is getting resistance here. This is again sign of bearishness. Also, one must notice this is also delivering lower highs, lower lows. So be cautious at around this zone. Stochastic rising here. MACD is willing to converge, crossover for a buying entry. And if you look at RSI, this is rising. Coming to now, look at daily charts. See what has happened so far. Silver has consolidated, and see it is getting support from the 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands. At the same time, one must notice the bearishness, diminishing bearishness, and this could be a reversal sign, but we have to wait for silver to break about 24.90 and $25 levels in order to stay bullish and confirm a reversal, and this could be the first candle for the reversal, we can see the next candle coming in to stay bullish. If it stays and close about 24.90 $25 levels today, you can say tomorrow is going to be a bullish day. But right now what I can see here is it can again reverse. Well, when I say reversal, it can in fact turn red, because see, this can continue with the momentum here. Just it needs to stay below 24.50 levels. In fact, I will recommend you to sell when you see the higher prices below 24.60. You can initiate a selling entry here and expect it to move towards 24.50-40 zone. And any break below 24.50 and 40 is a confirmation that we are looking forward to similar size of candle, which can take it till towards 24 and 23.50 levels. Possibility is there, anything and everything is possible, though right now I can see it's taking support. Stochastic oversold. See, MACD, this is important. MACD crossing over here at the top, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downward, suggests there is more bearish momentum left. RSI is flat. So considering this, very simple, sell at 24.60, buy at 24.90. Be careful at around 25.20 zone on the upside. On the downside, be careful at around 24.40-50 zone. Any break below 24.40 is a confirmation of bearishness. Any rise above 25.20 is a confirmation of bullishness towards 25.50. On the downside, 24.20-24 are going to remain greater support. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update.